Plight of the polar bears. Built to survive. Polar bears are adapted to survive the severe conditions of the Arctic. They appear to be all white, but each strand of hair is actually transparent. It has been commonly believed that this clear fur carries sunlight to the bear's black skin, where it is absorbed and changed to heat. However, studies on polar bear fur have proven that it does not transmit sunlight to a bear's skin. Since the sun is either low on the horizon or not even above the horizon during the coldest Arctic months, it wouldn't make much difference if the fur was able to transmit sunlight to the bear's skin. Polar bear fur is waterproof, so the icy waters in which they swim don't make them cold. Their white fur also helps them to blend in with the snow, making it easier for them to stalk their prey. Polar bears' main food source is seals, but they also eat walruses, smaller whales, and some land animals. They do most of their seal hunting during the winter months, when ice forms over the Arctic Ocean. By blending into the snowy landscape, a polar bear poised to pounce may not be spotted by a seal. Polar bears will wait patiently for hours near a hole in the ice where seals come up for air. Adult polar bears need to eat a great deal of food to survive. Their bodies store fat to get them through the seasons in which they are not hunting. They have large stomachs and will eat nearly 45 kilograms or 100 pounds in a single meal. That would be like eating 400 quarter-pound hamburgers at one time. 2 layers of fur and a thick layer of body fat insulate polar bears from extremely cold temperatures. They even have fur on the bottoms of their large paws. Polar bears are excellent swimmers. They have been spotted hunting seals up to 80 kilometers, 50 miles, out to sea. They swim with their heads above water by dog paddling at over 9 kilometers, 6 miles, per hour. These bears use their huge paw-like large paddles to move through the water. A thick layer of blubber helps them remain afloat. Number 1. Part A. Which word or phrase has the same meaning as transparent as it is used in paragraph 1? A. White. B. Icy cold. C. Very long. D. See-through. Part B. Which phrase from the text helps readers understand the meaning of the word transparent? A. This clear fur. B. Appeared to be all white. C. Bear's black skin. D. Severe conditions. Number 2. What is the most likely reason the author included the map with the text? A. To show where it is coldest. B. To show where polar bears live. C. To show where the North Pole is located on Earth. D. To show how much of the world is covered with water. Number 3. Which of the following is true of polar bears? Select all that apply. A. They have white fur. B. They can swim for 500 miles without stopping. C. They eat nearly 45 kilograms of food in a single meal. D. They have waterproof fur. E. They have a thick layer of blubber. Number 4. Read the sentence. Polar bears are adapted to survive the severe conditions of the Arctic. Which of these best describes why the author began with this sentence? Choose 2 answers. A. To show that polar bears live in the Arctic Circle. B. To show that polar bears live in severe conditions. C. To show that polar bears are endangered. D. To introduce that the text will discuss polar bear adaptations. E. To introduce that the text will discuss severe conditions of the Arctic. Number 5. The author used a descriptive text structure. How does this affect the main idea? A. It shows the author wants to prove why polar bears are the best animals. B. It shows that the author wants to explain how polar bears are able to survive their environment. C. It shows that the author wants to explain how polar bears are able to eat so much. D. It shows that the author wants to explain how hard it is to survive in the Arctic.